Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at something incredibly practical for anyone who relies on their label maker. The Hustery AC adapter, specifically designed to be compatible with models like the PT-D400AD and PT-D400VP. If you've ever found yourself in a bind because your original power supply went missing or stopped working, this replacement unit could be exactly what you need. Right out of the box, one of the first things you'll notice about this Hustery power supply is its robust build. It feels solid and well-constructed, which immediately instills confidence. The manufacturer emphasizes its durability, and it certainly seems built to last, utilizing a high-quality copper core for efficient and reliable power delivery. This isn't just about getting power to your device. It's about ensuring that power is consistent and safe. Speaking of safety, this adapter comes packed with an intelligent protection system. We're talking about built-in safeguards against overcurrent, overvoltage, and short circuits, along with stability protection. This means you can plug in your valuable label maker without worrying about unexpected power surges or electrical mishaps. It's a crucial feature that often gets overlooked, but is absolutely essential for protecting your equipment and giving you peace of mind. The fact that it's undergone rigorous aging tests further speaks to its reliability and commitment to safety. The input voltage range is also a huge plus, supporting 102/40V AC with a 50/60 Hz frequency. This wide compatibility means you can likely use it almost anywhere in the world with the right plug adapter, making it incredibly versatile for travelers or those who move between different regions. It's designed to provide sufficient power, ensuring your label maker operates at its peak performance without any hiccups. Now, it's important to note that this is a compatible replacement, not an original brand adapter. However, Hustery has clearly put a lot of effort into making sure it meets, or even exceeds the performance of an original. It's a brand new, high-quality power supply that offers excellent value. The ease of operation is another highlight. Simply plug it in and you're good to go. No complicated setups or confusing instructions. Beyond just functionality and safety, the adapter also boasts higher energy efficiency. In today's world, being friendly to the earth is a significant bonus, and it's great to see products that consider their environmental impact. This makes it not just a smart choice for your label maker, but also a conscious one. So, if you're in the market for a reliable, safe, and efficient power supply for your PT-D400AD or PT-D400VP label maker, the Hustery AC adapter is definitely worth considering. It's a practical solution that delivers on its promises of protection, durability, and consistent power, ensuring your label making tasks can continue uninterrupted.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.